Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to make your subtle sales enhancements multilingual. As you already know, our plugin WooCommerce Boost Sales enhances your upsell and cross-sell strategies by showing well-designed pop-up or product list of recommended products, advertising discount coupon, and suggesting frequent product combos. You can expand these effective sales tactics on a global scale, reaching customers in their preferred languages and boosting your sale globally by using a multilingual plugin and achieve your goal. We'll guide you steps right here. In this video, I'll use Polylang plugin to demonstrate. First, you need the pro version of our plugin WooCommerce Boost Sales, and additionally a multilingual plugin, WPML or Polylang. Once you've set up and configured your multilingual site to your satisfaction, it's time to extend that capability to your sales enhancements. Navigate to our plugin settings and effortlessly translate all the front-end text elements, including messages, titles, descriptions, button titles, and more. After completing the translation process, save your settings, and head to the front end to see the result.